This is the compound of
you see the
Justice Tabai. You can see boats paddling, berthing and paddling within the compound.
take all these ones. There are six canoes now.
6 canoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 canoes.
7, eh? Yeah, 7. This is probably recorded.
Station.
There are some fishing nets in the compound for fish.
Yeah.
I wish when they are harvesting it.
This picture is being taken from from the first floor of the compound of Justice Tabai. The whole ground floor is now occupied by water. So one has to wade through water to come upstairs. Otherwise, most of the bungalows have been evacuated around here. You can see children paddling canoe in the compound. And there are fishing nets around to catch fish, which is the co-inhabitants of this compound. See water is taking over the whole place. From here to the distance where you can see a bigger boat betted, one has to go with a small boat or go waist, almost chest deep into water to get there. So for anyone who fears water, he has to go through a smaller boat, especially to prevent him from being wet.